Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk all about Clockify. I'll break down exactly what it is, what it costs, and how it compares to other similar tools out there. Let's dive right in. So, Clockify is a free time tracking software that helps teams track their working hours across various projects. It's an awesome tool that makes time analysis and timesheet collection super easy, so you don't have to worry about dealing with messy paper sheets or manually recording hours anymore. It's all about streamlining the process and saving you time. What's really cool about Clockify is that it's designed to work for teams of any size. Whether you're a freelancer working solo, a small business, or a larger enterprise, Clockify can support you. And if you sign up as a company, you can add unlimited users, which is pretty awesome for growing businesses. The tool consists of two main components, a time tracker and a timesheet. The time tracker lets you log your hours as you work, while the timesheet gives you a nice overview of your productivity and how much time you're spending on different tasks or projects. It's a great way to measure how efficient you are and where most of your work hours are being spent. This can be really helpful because you can analyze which tasks are taking the most time and decide if you're charging enough for those projects. If you find that a particular project is consuming a lot more time than you anticipated, you can reassess and adjust your rates, or even rethink whether that project is worth taking on again. For managers, Clockify provides great oversight. You can monitor your team's attendance and get a quick view of what everyone is working on. It's perfect for businesses that need to track productivity and ensure things are moving along smoothly. Another thing worth mentioning is that Clockify can be run on your own servers or private cloud, which gives you the flexibility to ensure maximum privacy and security if that's something that's important to your business. Now, let's talk about who this tool is for. Clockify is designed for all kinds of businesses. Whether you're running a large company or just working as a solo freelancer, you can use this tool to track your hours and stay on top of your projects. It's also useful for individuals who just want to track their own time when working on specific tasks. So no matter your situation, Clockify has got you covered. The tool is based out of San Francisco, California, and it's super versatile. You can run it directly from your web browser, like I'm doing right now, or you can install it on your computer. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, it works seamlessly. Plus, there are apps available for both Android and iOS, so you can track your time on the go. Now, let's talk about pricing. Clockify offers a free version, which is honestly pretty generous. You don't have to pay anything to start using it, and you even get access to integrations with other tools. So if you're just looking for basic time tracking, the free version could be all you need. If you want to unlock more features, there are 3 paid plans: Basic, Standard, Pro, and Enterprise. Each one gives you access to additional features depending on your needs. The more you pay, the more features you unlock. These plans are available on an annual subscription, and if you choose to pay monthly instead, there's a small extra cost. Basic plan is the most affordable and includes essential features. Standard plan offers more advanced tools, including reporting features and additional integrations. Pro plan gives you the full package with even more capabilities, such as enhanced project tracking and advanced time reports. Enterprise plan is for larger organizations that need the most robust features and customization options. For monthly subscriptions, the price is just a little higher. It's not a huge jump, like $1 to $3 extra depending on the plan. But if you're okay committing to an annual plan, you can save a bit by paying up front. To sum it up, Clockify is a super helpful tool for anyone looking to improve how they track time and manage projects. It's especially useful for freelancers, small businesses, or teams that need to keep an eye on their productivity. And the fact that they offer a free version with integrations is a big win in my book.